hu khou tendwa uri tshigwada tsha vhadzulapo avho vha vho sinyiwa vhukuma tsho swikapo hune Vho-Elvis Nyathi vha dzula hone vhusiku nga iri ya 10 vha vha hambekanya vha tshi ri passport yavho i ngafhi. Ndi afho vha tshi vha kokodzela nnḓa vha thoma vha kandekanya nga matombo he vha fhedza vha vha fhisela henefho.
Nomsa says she's very hurt. They've killed him. She says she was told by his relative that they set him alight and he passed on. She says she has no strength. Even the 200 rands he used to make looked after their kids. She says he died for nothing.
Ingwe thanzi yo sivona nga mato vhane vha vha muthu we vha dzhena tshikolo na Vho-Elvis vhone vho talusa hezwi.
He says he went to school with Elvis. They were watching TV and they heard a knock. People were demanding to see their passports. He says he was searched for weapons, but then they left. And then he saw Elvis covered in blood.
Vhadzulatsini navho vhona tshela zwe a pfi vha taluse tshitumbu tsha Vho-Elvis.
He says police came knocking on his door and asked him how can he sleep, yet there are loud noises outside. They then asked him to identify the body outside and he said he does not know the deceased.
Mapholisa vho dovha hafhu vha vhonala nga vhunzhi afho vhuponi uvhu ṋamusi he vha ita na u dalela afho itshiwo itshi tsha bulayo tsha bvelela hone.
The fact that there is somebody who died does not mean the situation is out of control. We have deployment in this area, there are police, and we have made more than 24 arrests of illegal people, immigrants, undocumented people that are in the area.
We're having senior detectives here who has put quite a top team to pursue this, but not only this and other cases that have taken place here at Diepsloot, so that we're able to reduce the criminality, especially the murders, because we are able to collect those. If we don't arrest these people, crime will continue.
Presidende Vho-Cyril Ramaphosa bosasaladza tshoṱhe Zwiito izwo zwo vhifhaho zwa bulayo ilo.
We don't want that situation to turn into an ugly one, so we're consulting on all sides, people who live there in Diepsloot, and also listening very closely to their concerns. But we will not condone any criminality, any form of criminality which results in the death of anyone is not acceptable, and we will take action to deal with it.
Vho-Cele vha ḓo dovha hafhu vha vhuya fha Diepsloot matshelo. Minister wa mapholisa Vho-Bheki Cele vho dovha hafhu vha vhuya fhano na musi ndi vha revenge dza mapholisa dzi paḓaho dza 30 dzo no vha fhano vha dovha vha ḓadzisa nga uri mapholisa vha paḓaho ḓana vha khou ḓo ḓiswa ḓo shumela fhano u vhona uri tshiimo a tshi khou bva nga nnḓa ha tshanḓa. Vhutshilo muhasho SABC News Diepsloot.